Gusto mo bang mag-start ng isang negosyo or business pero iniisip mo, teka, kaya ko na ba talaga? Pero guess what? Maraming successful entrepreneurs ang nagsimula ng bata pa sila. Kung kaya nila, kaya mo rin. Starting a business while you're still in school, sobrang exciting yan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na magiging madali. Alam mo, I started my first business when I was just around your age, when I was 17. And let me tell you, it wasn't easy. Wala ako masyadong resources, pero meron akong drive at lakas ng loob. Yun lang ang meron ako. Your reason is important. Kasi dito ka huhugot ng motivation, lalo na kapag humirap na ang mga bagay-bagay. Okay? So, kung iniisip mo pa rin na gusto mo mag-start ng business bilang estudyante, ang masasabi ko lang ay go for it. But remember kid, hindi to madali. Pero sulit lahat ng hirap kung makuha mo ang tamang mindset at preparation. So, are you ready to start building your dream? Kung ako sa'yo, simulan mo na.